Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best face tattoo is probably one of the most exciting and expressive ways to instantly transform your look. Whether you're gearing up for a music festival, a themed party, or just want to experiment with a bold new style, these temporary tattoos offer a fun and commitment-free way to express yourself. They're easy to apply, come in a wide variety of designs, and can last for several days, making them a fantastic alternative to permanent body art. Number 5. Gold Glitter Freckles Face Tattoo Stickers. This set includes 9 sheets of glitter freckles and 45 additional sheets with various shapes and sizes. There are plenty of styles for Halloween cosplay and parties. They are perfect for festival euphoria makeup. These metallic temporary tattoos allow you to change your look at any time. You can apply them to any part of your body you desire. Printed with high-quality, vegetable-based ink, this product is safe for use. You can enjoy the look without worry. The gold face gems and freckle stickers will last for several days. They will maintain their beautiful appearance throughout your event. These versatile tattoos are great for festivals, birthday parties, and bachelorette parties. They're also suitable for decorating cups, cell phones, and greeting cards. What we like? This product offers a variety of glitter freckles and face gems. It's safe and non-toxic, perfect for any occasion. If you're looking to add some sparkle to your look for a festival or party, this is the one for you. What people say. They are easy to apply and last for several days. The tattoos are vibrant and the designs are beautiful. They are waterproof and can withstand swimming and showering. Number 4. Yazhiji 36 Sheets Temporary Tattoos. These large temporary tattoos can cover a bigger area. You get 12 sheets of large tattoos and 24 sheets of small ones. Share them with friends and family for any occasion. Whether it's a party, holiday, or just a day out, these tattoos are perfect. They're great for nightclubs, beaches, weddings, and even Halloween. Mix and match for a unique look. These tattoos are made with waterproof, non-toxic, and non-allergenic materials. They can last for days, even with running, swimming, or showering. They are suitable for all ages. The tattoos look very realistic, almost like the real thing. Use them for cosplay, concerts, or parties. They're a fun way to express yourself. If you're not ready for a permanent tattoo, these are a great alternative. Choose the design you like and apply it without any pain. They let you show off your personality. Applying these tattoos is simple. Just remove the film, apply to clean skin, and dab with a damp towel. Then, remove the paper and let it dry. It's that easy. What we like? This product features large-size temporary tattoos that look incredibly realistic. Applying is super easy, and the tattoos are waterproof. If you're looking to experiment with a new look without the commitment, this is a great choice. What people say. They are very easy to apply and last a long time. The tattoos are beautiful and look very realistic. They are easy to remove. Number 3. Yazhiji Tiny Temporary Tattoos, 60 Sheets. Introducing the Yazhiji Temporary Tattoos. This set comes with 60 sheets, featuring over 300 unique and trendy designs. You'll find something for everyone with so many options. These tattoos are made with waterproof, non-toxic, and non-allergenic materials. They're designed to last for days, so you can enjoy them without worry. It's a safe and durable choice. The Yazhiji tattoos are designed to look incredibly realistic, mimicking the look of a real tattoo. It's a fun way to experiment with different looks. They're sure to fool your friends. If you're hesitant about permanent tattoos, these are perfect. You can easily apply them to show off your personality. It's a painless way to express your ideas. Applying these tattoos is quick and simple. Just remove the film, apply it to clean skin, dab with a damp towel, and let it dry. It's that easy to get a cool new look. What we like? This product offers a wide variety of tiny tattoo designs that are waterproof and long-lasting. It's easy to apply and can last for days. If you like to express yourself with small, detailed designs, this is a must-have. What people say. They are very easy to apply. The tattoos lasted all day and night. The designs are beautiful and the colors are vibrant. Number 2. Konsait Kids Temporary Tattoo Stencils Kit. This amazing kit from Konsait features 262 unique stencils. It includes a variety of designs, from butterflies and mermaids to festive Halloween and Christmas themes. It's perfect for sparking creativity. Using these stencils is incredibly simple. Just stick the adhesive stencil to your skin, fill in the design, and remove it. It's perfect for glitter tattoos, henna, or face paint. Made from soft, durable PVC, these stencils are designed to last. With careful use, you can reuse them multiple times. They come in various sizes to suit different needs. These stencils are ideal for kids' parties. They're great for face painting or creating glitter tattoos on arms and legs. It's perfect for birthdays, school events, and holidays. Konsait offers a money-back guarantee, ensuring your satisfaction. Get this kit and enjoy hours of creative fun. It's a fantastic gift for any child. What we like. This product includes a variety of stencils perfect for creating glitter tattoos. They are easy to use and even reusable. If you are looking for a fun and creative activity for kids' parties or events, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The stencils were exactly as pictured and very easy to use for large event. They stuck nicely and came off well. Used for face painting at a venue. Number 1. GLARYYEARS Black Temporary Tattoo Stickers. Looking for a way to express yourself? These temporary tattoos offer a wide variety of designs. They are perfect for adding a touch of personality to your look. This set comes with 20 different designs in a beautiful package. Each tattoo is sized perfectly for various placements on your body, allowing you to experiment with different looks. These tattoos look incredibly realistic, giving you a unique body art experience. They are designed to last for several days, so you can enjoy your new look. Applying the tattoos is quick and easy, taking less than 30 seconds. When you're ready to remove them, simply use baby oil. It's that simple. These tattoos are waterproof and non-toxic, making them safe for both kids and adults. You can enjoy them without any worries, whether you're at the beach or a party. These semi-permanent tattoos last for 2 to 5 days. They are waterproof and easy to apply and remove. Get noticed wherever you go with these dazzling stickers. What we like. This product offers realistic and stylish temporary tattoos that are easy to apply and waterproof. They are non-toxic and safe for all ages. If you like unique designs and want a temporary tattoo that looks great, this is the one for you. What people say. The application process is so easy, just follow the instructions, and they'll slide onto your skin like butter. After the paint is on, it does not budge. You can wipe it as hard as you want with your hands, or even wet water, and it won't come off. They also last a surprisingly long time, several days depending on where they're located, of course. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.